Alright, so, the time's come you need to polish your frets. First things first, take your steel wool, throw it in the trash. I'm going to show you how using, a few bucks worth of stuff you can get down at your local chemist or, for the US, your drugstore. A couple of bucks, it's going to work brilliantly. I'll show you. So what I've got here is a prime candidate for showing what I'm talking about. The frets on this Orville SG need some love because they are pretty badly patinaed. A lot of people out there probably go out and go, you know what, I'm going to grab some steel wool, I'm going to tape up the pickups here and end up with iron filings everywhere. And, I mean, they're basically the glitter of the guitar world. Forget that stuff. What you want to do, go to the chemist, go to the drugstore, go anywhere that sells beauty accessories and care kits and nail polish and whatnot. Get yourself one of these. This is a nail buffer. Why? Well, because this stuff here is the same as that stuff. That there's micro mesh. That's what we use here in the workshop when we're doing a refret or a fret dress or anything else like that, or even a setup. It's designed for high polish applications, and it works a treat. The same stuff is also used for buffing nails. This here cost me about $4, that's all. And I'll show you how we can use it. So I've taped up just a single thread on here just because I'm just going to show the one, right? These come with two sides. There's a buffing side like that, and on the other side is your shining side. The buffing side, while it says on there that it's, 600, it's a lot finer than that. They're using similar numbers to what micro mesh does, and it's really hard to sort of figure out exactly what the number is, but with something like this that has incredibly sort of, bad corrosion on there, we can literally just grab this stick and start going away at it either side. It's made out of latex, so it actually conforms to the thread as well. So if I just switch the camera over to the other hand here, grab my stuff like that, and then start going to town, just like that. What I'm doing is I'm now removing all of that surface layer of oxide. Straight away you can see, look at that shine come back. Now we grab this side, just to remove any of those scuff marks or scratches or anything along those lines. A little bit of a once over, just like that. And now we have ourselves a super shiny fret using something that cost a grand total of $4 from your local chemist. That's it. Take your steel wool, throw it in the bin. There's no point in using it anymore. This is a better way of doing it. And look at that. Plenty of life left on that. You'll be able to do the entire board there. This is the kind of thing that we do a lot of our secondhand equipment that we sell so that it goes out the door in the best condition. If you like these kinds of tips and tricks and whatnot, subscribe, like the channel, do all that kind of fun stuff. Visit us at drgear.com.au. We do ship worldwide, so I know a lot of the audience here will probably be from the US and Europe. That's okay. We can send you some cool, interesting used stuff right to your door, no matter where you are in the world. So until the next time, we'll see ya.